Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Roblox how to make t-shirt. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a t-shirt in Roblox. The first thing you need to do is open up your Roblox. Once your Roblox is open up, click on more. After clicking on more, click on create right here. Then it will open this. There you go. You will go to Creator Hub. Once you're here, click on creation. After clicking on creation, go to avatar items. Then after here, click on classics. As you can see, you can upload here the t-shirt. Upload and click on upload right here. And you'll be able to choose your file. You're gonna choose this file right there. After that, click on upload. Asset name or description was moderated. Please try again. So we will try name. We can name this Dia. Upload. There you go. As you can see right now, we have created our t-shirt. And now to wear it, just go to your avatar. Then choose go to your avatar, and if go to your avatar, then customize. But right now we are using a different account. We are using Dean. But after you have created that, after you have created this, just go to account. As you can see, the avatar the player we are using here is KJZ14. So we just need to change account, but I'm a bit too lazy to change my account because I forgot the password of this account. So yeah, that's how you change that's how you change that's how you change your t-shirt in Roblox. Go to great, and just go to your avatar, then change its shirt right there. Or you can just go to you just go home and click here, enhance, and change your character's shirt here. Yeah, so those are the ways. But as of now, I don't know the password of my Dean Hunt, so I won't be able to show you how to change your clothes. But that's the way how to change your clothes, and that's the way how you make a Roblox t-shirt. And a quick tip for you guys. This is only optional. If you want to sell your shirt, you must have a Roblox Premium to sell clothing. Or go to the t-shirt page in creation, then click the gear icon, config, and enable sale, and set your price for the shirt that you want. So there you go. That's a quick tip for you guys. If you want to sell your t-shirt, so you do it. Just open up but it needs a premium account. But if you don't have a premium account, you won't be able to sell your clothes. So yeah, there you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer them. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.